Hey my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove redundant or unwanted space in the name after or before the entry. So for instance, I have my names here. There's some unwanted space you see here and here after. You can see it here from here. Okay, so I want to show you using a function in Excel, trim function, which removes. For instance, you have been like how many you have, like this number of data, how many, 428. So I'll show you in a simple step. So you're going to use this function. It's called trim. So just put an equal sign, then trim here, and it says it removes all spaces from text string except from single spaces between words. So I double click it, then I say I want to remove here, then I close the bracket, enter. So you see only one space between, then all those are removed. So just like that. So by double clicking here, that means all words have been sorted out. So this is the way of actually cleaning data by removing extra spaces or redundant spaces using Microsoft Excel. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.